This looks like a high-budget commercial with cinematic visuals, smooth camera movement, and premium production quality. You'd normally expect something like this to require expensive cameras, professional models, multiple locations, and a full production team. But here's the surprising part. This entire video was created without any real-world shooting. No cameras, no crew, no long production timelines, and no complicated editing process. If you're a content creator, marketer, or brand struggling with high production costs, meet RoboNeo, your smart social media creative partner. It's not just a tool, it actually helps you think, plan, and execute content like a professional brand. RoboNeo is a web-based AI platform that allows you to create TV commercials, animation videos, and high-performing social media content, all in one place. At the core of it is Seedance 2.0, a powerful AI model that can generate complete videos from just a simple text prompt. It combines visuals, voice, and music together. For this example, I'm making a cinematic product ad for a hair serum. I start with a simple product image and define a clear concept. A premium transformation story that highlights healthy, shiny hair with a cinematic feel. From just this one idea, I can expand the content into multiple formats, including a poster, a TVC-style ad, and even short-form or UGC-style content for social media. RoboNeo gives you 3 different workflows depending on your needs. First is skill mode, which is perfect for fast and efficient content creation. Here, you can use pre-built skills to generate videos instantly without building anything from scratch. Next is agent mode, where RoboNeo acts like a creative partner. It helps refine your prompts, improves your scenes, and guides the storytelling process. Finally, there's workflow mode, which gives you complete control over the creation process. This is perfect for more complex or high-precision projects. You can upload multiple image or video references, control each scene, and fine-tune the output exactly the way you want. The visuals are designed to be scroll-stopping and optimized for social media performance, making them perfect for high-converting content. And this is the final result, a complete commercial package with cinematic visuals, perfectly integrated sound, and strong storytelling. It looks like a professional brand advertisement, but it was created entirely using AI. No shooting, no production team, just a smart creative workflow. If you're a content creator, marketer, or brand looking to create high-quality content faster and at a lower cost, not limited to just one format, you can create ads, short-form videos, UGC-style content, and even posters, all from a single idea. So if you want to create high-quality content without the usual limitations, RoboNeo is built for you. Start creating with RoboNeo today. Check the link in the description to get started, and I've also shared my full workflow below so you can follow along step by step. Start creating smarter, faster, and more creatively with RoboNeo. What makes RoboNeo truly powerful is not just what it creates, but how accessible it is. RoboNeo is designed as a complete creative partner for content creators, marketers, and brands. Whether you're building ads, social media content, or full commercial campaigns, it gives you everything in one place. With Seedance 2.0, you can turn simple ideas into cinematic videos, combining visuals, voice, and music, all generated together. And the best part, you don't need any production setup. No cameras, no locations, no complex editing workflows. Instead of spending on traditional production, RoboNeo offers flexible subscription plans that scale with your creative needs. Whether you're just starting out or working on advanced projects, you can choose a plan that fits your workflow.